Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about copyright, patents and trademarks. So, let's first discuss the learning objectives for this lecture. By the end of this session, you should be able to have confidence about explaining the different types of the business protections, demonstrate a clear understanding of the types of the business they are designed to protect, and you are also able to give the examples of companies that use this protection and why. So firstly, what is property? Anything that is owned by someone is a property for someone. It might be a small thing or a big thing. For example, your shoes, coffee, bicycle, laptops, anything that is a comb or nail paint, etc. So, if you have the right to something because you purchased it, was given to, or it come to be your possession in any other way, that is your property. What think of possessions are tangible items? We sometimes think of property as a house, mainly because that will normally be the most expensive item we buy. But it might be possible some intangible items are also a property. So, why don't people just take it? Why any people cannot uh, 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 thief your house or scold your coffee? There are some law and the journal views about some properties. There are penalties for stealing, both legally and socially. So if I take something of yours, you would see me doing it. Watch. Everybody doesn't like this. Or you may call or tell the police also about this stealing. So what is intellectual property? IP. Just because something is not tangible, that is a intangible intellectual property. It does not mean we do not own it. Have you ever had a good idea and somebody has tried to pretend it was their idea? Annoying, isn't it? So, the any idea that is in your mind that is novel to you or the word is a intellectual property. Now, what is copyright? Copyright are automatically granted to the artist, musicians, or the authors. It only protects the original works, its last lifetime of the artist. Artist may have to prove the date of the creation of that particular music or the uh, dubbing, and it is free of charge. Let's take some copyright examples. For example, music and paintings, any design that you have make that is novel, any logos, James and Ganch, you can see here. Then this is also a logo of the girls' generation. These all are the examples of the copyrights. Now, what is patent? Patents protect the features and the processes that make things work. This lets inventor profit from their inventions. You can go to the site for www.ipo.gov.uk for the patent of the UK sites. Patents protect how things work, how it's made, and what form. You can apply to a UK intellectual property office, or you can also apply to your country specific intellectual property office. Normally patents last for 20 years. After 20 years, you have to pay some fee for the renewal of the patent. You can also sell the rights of the patent by the cost defined by you. The patent must be new, not known anywhere in the world prior to filing. So, it is important before filing the patent, you have to check prior art of search. It gives you the result that this work is patentable or not. Patents have an inventive step, not obvious, or a simple adaptation or combination of the existing products. Patents be capable of industrial applications, having a technical effect. Patents normally to do with the technology. Some examples of patent: any design with the new functions in a technology. Let's take an example where this shoes has some lighting and this is a new feature that enhance the design of this shoes that can be patentable. Now let's discuss what is trademark. A trademark is a sign which can distinguish goods and services from those of competitors. It can be, for example, words, logos, or a combination of both. The Windows sound and the Nokia ringtone is also a trademark. Trademarks used to protect slogans and images. It protects the brands. Trademarks lasts for 10 years. After 10 years, it can be renewed. Approximately $200 within the UK. That is a fee. Trademark can be used as a marketing tool so the customers can recognize your product and services easily and quickly. There are some examples of trademark. For example, it's a Puma, McDonald's, Kodak, the Coca-Cola, the coffee, that is the Starbucks coffee. All these are the examples of the trademarks. Then what is a kite mark? Kite mark is basically for UK products, UK product and service quality certification. Mark which is owned and operated by the British Standard Institutions. It conceived in 1903 and it is one of the oldest product marks in the world, still in the regular use. Products where safety is paramount, such as crash helmets, smoke alarms, lights, bulbs, etc., are comes under kite marks. Some examples of kite marks: this is the fire safety equipment, that most product relating to the health and safety. In China, you have a QS standards, and in US, it is a kite marks standards. So, what do you think? Why we protect a business idea? The first, to stop copying the work. You know that there are various products in the market. The shops have selling Adidas shoes in 3,000, 4,000 rupees, and in same type of same design is also you can purchase with the street with a 300, 400 rupees. So while using the protect the business idea, you can stop copying. It also retained the market advantages. Stop negative advertising by lesser or inferior products trading under your company name. Keep consumer trust in the product services you can supply, because the business reputation is also attached with these types of production ideas. So intellectual property have different terms. You already seen in this lecture. It's a patent, it's a copyright, it's a trademark. So I think we know enough about it now. So what protection would this be? So I want to give you some task. Write down at least 3 examples of firms protected by the following: with patent, with copyright, and with trademark. and include a brief summary of why you have think the business you selected would be covered by the specific protection. Means you have to write why this business idea can be can be called as patent or copyright or trademark. Thanks. If you have any query, please contact me at varma.shanti@gmail.com. Thank you.